Good morning, respected sir, ma'am, and my dear lovely audience. How many of you have a fear of public speaking? I believe most of you do. I am Divya Bambani, currently pursuing US CPA from Miles Education. Today, I am here to tell you why I highly recommend Dipti Shah's Institute of English and Public Speaking to my family and friends. But first of all, I will tell you why I have joined this course. Let me take you all back to my school days. I was very shy and introvert girl, never dared to step on stage. Though I could understand English, but speaking felt like climbing a mountain without a rope. Also, I worked at an Australian accounting firm, Be Free. Initially, I was so lucky to get a Gujarati speaking client, but soon I had to deal with Australian clients. I could do emails, but speaking again felt like I was in hot water. So I joined Ditishas Institute in January 2025 batch and my journey of transformation began. The three strong reasons why I highly recommend Ditishas Institute to my family and friends. First, teachers who transform you. Dipti ma'am at the age of 73 teaches with a great enthusiasm. Her hands expressions make learning very engaging. Amit sir is another great faculty. In his session, we learned about personality development tests, how to answer tricky questions in interview, and even life lessons about marriage. He tells the real life stories that you won't find in the books. Second, confidence booster. You know, one of the biggest change I ever felt in myself was overcoming my shyness and stage fear. I still remember my first self introduction in class. My heart was racing like a drum, but after that, I never hesitate to speak on stage. This course is a game changer for introverts. Public speaking is like a swimming. You can't learn it by watching others. You have to jump into the water. Third, fluency in my English. Earlier, my thoughts were in Gujarati, so I translated from Gujarati to English, which make my sentences as awkward pineapple on pizza. But after so many speeches, group discussion, and debates, I can think and speak directly in English. No more translations required. Lastly, I want to tell you how this course transformed me. Before this course, I never read an entire book in English, but now I have finished Pulling Your Own Street, Sudhamurthy stories, Chicken Soup for the Soul, and The Three Mistakes of My Life. This course made me a voracious reader. Earlier, I watched YouTube for some cooking videos and random shorts, but now I have been watching Hamza English, English101.com, and English fairy tales for conversations and stories. Also, I listen to Joel Austin's and BK Shivani's motivational and spiritual speeches. Dipti ma'am always start the class with a positive affirmation. I want to share one or two with you. I am a great human being. I will persist until I succeed. So, if you want to boost your confidence, refine your English, and master in public speaking, this is the best opportunity for you. Dipti Shah's next batch is starting from April 7 to June 7, 2025. If I can transform, so can you. If I can speak confidently, so can you. If I can think in English, so can you. Don't let your fear hold you back. Take the first step towards success